Hello everyone, in previous video we saw about page table. In this video we will be seeing about the structure of page table. So structure of page table, let's consider a memory structure for paging can get huge using strategy forward method. Let's consider we are using 32-bit logical address space for a modern computer, means you are using 2 power 32 address type. So the page table is of, or the page should be of the size, it is like assumptions. The logical address space is 32-bit, which means 2 power 32 address bits, and the size of the page or the page size is 2 KB, that is 2 power 12. Sorry, it is 4 KB, which is 2 power 12 bits. The page table would have 1 million entry because you have 32 address bit by 4 KB size, which is 2 power 32 divided by 2 power 12, which will have 1 million entries. If each entry is of 4 bytes, which is 4 MB of physical address space for memory, or the memory will be utilized by page table alone. So to efficiently utilize the address space of page table, there are multiple ways. The first one is hierarchical page table. In hierarchical page table, break up the logical address space into multiple page tables. A sample technique is used in 2-level page table, and you can have a page table for the page table. It is like, if you have a page table, the page table is divided into blocks, and each block will be used with the outer page table. So at once the CPU will look into outer page table. Let's consider page table 1, page table 2 is the page table, and here you have page table 1's address, page table 2 address, and you can be mapped. If your logical address belongs to page table 2, CPU will come, operating system will locate to page table 2. From page table 2 you can go to the frame number, and frame number you can access directly your page. It is like creating a page table for page table. In the sense, if it is like dividing your book into multiple chapters, under multiple chapters you have multiple topics. So first keep index page only for chapters. Go to that chapter index and find the content index, that is subtopic index. This is how hierarchical page table work. Next one is 2-level paging example, like you have page number and page offset. The logical address on 32-bit machine with 1 KB or 1K page size is divided into two. One is page number, which consists of 20 bits, and second one is page offset, which consists of 12. So including it will be again 32 bits. Page table entry size is 4 bytes. So page table size will be 2 power 20 into 4 bits, which is equal to 4 MB. So the page table size will be 2 power 20, which is greater than the frame size. The page table size has to be reduced, or it has to be kept track, since the large size of a page table, like the size of the page table has gradually increased, it has to be kept track. So this made use of page number as well as page offset. Since the page offset is 1, the 12 bits or 12-bit offset will be kept same, and the page numbers will be varied, which is 2 power 20. So 2 power 20 into 4 divided by 2 power 10 into 4, which will be equal to 2 power 10, which is lesser than 2 power 32 into 2 power 10. So instead of 1 million entries, you came down to 2 power 10 entries. So using this 2-level paging method, again your 2-level paging method is divided into inner page number and outer page number. See, we have seen like hierarchical page entry or hierarchical page number. You had outer page table and then inner page table. So the page number here, it is divided into 2 parts with 10 bytes each or 10 bits each. So outer page number will contain 10 bits, that is P1, which is added with the inner page number with 10 more bits, and then the offset number. So address translation scheme work like this. So logical address, first it is taken with the outer page table, and then it is added to the P2 value from the page table, then with the offset value. First find the outer page table logical address, add with P2 value, you can find the page table actual address. From the P2 address and plus offset value, you can get it to the actual frame number. 64-bit logical address space can also work in this way. Even 2-level paging scheme is not sufficient, so you can increase the scheme, or you can increase the level of hierarchy. Since you have 64-bit, if you are going to two hierarchical way, then first outer page will be 42 bits, then inner page 10 and offset is 12. If you want to go for one more or second outer page, then outer page value, that is P1, is reduced to 32, P2 for 10 and P3 for 10. So based on your efficiency, those layers or hierarchical method of paging will be divided and accessed with the help of offset value. Next method is hashed page table. Hashed page table is a concept where the logical address is used with a hash function, the value stored in a hash table, and then find the physical address. So common address space is always greater than 32 bits and virtual page number is hashed with the page table. So let's consider a logical address P and offset value D. The offset value is directly taken to the frame number for adding it. So D is directly taken. P should be converted to frame number to access in physical memory. To do that, there is an hashing function. The hashing function will fetch the Q value from the hash table, Q, S and P. So virtual page number, the value mapped to the page frame and the pointer to the next element is got. Q is the virtual page number, S is the value mapped to the frame. QS is translated to the pointer for the next element, which is P and R. So the value of P, what you get, is converted to R, the actual frame number, and sent. The actual frame number value plus the offset value will get the actual address in the physical device. Next one is inverted page table. In inverted page table, there will be one method called process ID, which we have already seen in the first module. Every process, when it is given or created, will be given with process ID. The same concept is used in inverted page table. CPU will give the logical address with a process ID. Process ID and page table value and offset value is searched in the page table with the help of PID first. So the operating system directly gets the process ID and search for the process ID. From the process ID, means the block where the process ID's page number is stored, from there it will get the frame number which is added. Means the block of I values is added to the offset value D, and then you can access to the physical address in the physical memory. I hope you understood these topics. Thank you.